Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning, or if you're a newcomer, welcome. This is La Naturalista. What I'm going to be doing today is a twist out. So just the process of twisting your hair, how I do it, in a way that you as beginners can do it so that it doesn't take up all of your time. Okay, who am I kidding? This gonna take a lot of time. Okay, your arm strength gotta be in this, hunty. It's gotta be there. Ain't no other way I can put it. It just has to be. So, sorry I can't change that for you. However, I can give you some bomb twists and some tips on how to get some bomb twists. Now, I always do twist outs. However, what I'm using today is a bit different. I'm using this Lustre Silk curl activator just to get it on, and I'm using the Miel Organics. I love Miel. Yeah, but you can't really find them in the Bahamas. So, long story short, I ordered Black Friday, $5 for each product. I might do it again this year, but yeah. So yeah, so twisting souffle. So I'd be using these two and maybe some water, and I cannot find my comb, my rat tail comb. I can't find it, so I'm using the end of my edge brush right here to twirl my ends, because I like to twirl the ends. So yes, to curl my ends. So I'll be doing twist out today. Thank you guys for coming, and let's go. Okay, so we will be starting this whole twist out from the back, which I usually do, and I'm gonna unravel it. And what I like to do at this point in time, I did this after a wash day, so my hair is partially damp. That's why you don't see me using water. However, making sure your hair is wet or moist or damp is key in styling, because you don't want to style on dry hair. Okay, so it's partially damp right now, and this is where I'm going to put in some of my products. You see, you clear out the hair first, making sure the ends are cleared. Detangling is super important. So you can see I'm putting in the Lustre Silk in there. It's a very liquidy substance. I used it once, it worked well, so I'm trying to see if it works for this one. Okay, so we're in the process of putting it on, and it's a curl activator, so it's going to activate my curls, of course. So I want it to work in a sense of curling my hair and keeping it hydrated along with the Miel Twisting Souffle. It works well with the Alakay Naturals shea butter that I used before, so I want to see how it works with this. So what you want to do is, when you are going to twist your hair and you're using any product that's meant for twisting, like the twisting souffle or butter or whatnot, we'll make sure, like any shampoo or conditioner, that it coats every strand. Leave no strand unturned. The key is to make sure from the roots to the tips it's covered. And you're going to split the hair in two. It does not have to be perfect, but even. And you're going to take one and twist over the other. One, twist over the other. There are two ways to twist. I'm twisting the way that it's going to lock it in. So it's more of a tight twist than a loose twist. So I'm twisting more to the right. Your right, my left. Yeah. So this is what I'm doing now. And of course you're going to see residue come out. That's no problem. That's even better. Moisture, moisture, moisture. Moisture is key. Moisture is key. Now, your ends are super important, and this is where you're going to use your tiny comb to get that perfect coil. Now, it's going to be a little difficult for some persons
But just take it, put it on the top where you're going to start, and just twist down and drag the comb while you're twisting down. Drag the comb while you're twisting down. And voila. So right here you can see that the coil is already forming, and that's how I like it. It's cute and beautiful, and you can wear these twists by themselves, or you can do a twist out once it's dry the very next day.
Okay guys, I am almost done. And I decided not to do them too small. I did them nice and a little big. My coils. At the end of some of them, I had to do a little bit of trimming. I have to do this front side next when I finish this. So, yeah. Now, if you don't have a lot, you want to go cutting off your whole hair just for 1 or 2 knots that you feel. That is not wise at all. You don't want to be doing that. So, yes. Do this last one. Okay. Now, I'm going to get my trusty thingy thing. And let me twist this a bit more somewhere. Put this at the end. And then twirl and twirl and twirl. I mean, I know I could always twirl it with my finger, but I like to do it with the comb for some reason, and they come out like this. When I twirl it with my finger, it doesn't come out like this. So that is that, and that's my hair. So this side, especially the back, what I did first, it's hardening up, so it's forming a cast, and this side is still soft. So when it dries, it's gonna form a cast, and that where I'll be able to do whatever. And I do take them out, which I'll do. You're gonna be able to see how the twist out looks. So
Okay guys, I am so sorry about the lighting quality in this last part of the video, but well, it was not working with me. However, we must continue. Twists are looking really good today, and we're going to do a twist out now. So to take down our twists, you're going to have to put a little bit of oil on your fingers and your hands, because we don't want our strands to hit against each other. We don't want them to get tangled or whatnot. We want our hairs to be very moisturized. So we're going to put that in our hand a small bit, rub our hands together, make sure our fingertips get, and we're going to coat each twist while we untwist. After each unravel, we're going to want to separate the halves of the twist. Just take your hand, put it at the root of that half, and just slide it down. That's it. You might want to do a little bit of coil for just to give the end coil a bit of a flare. And you're going to do that for all of them. Separate the twists and then separate the halves. And if you feel like, oh, you're going to lose the end coil that we worked so hard with our tiny comb to make, then you can always coil it on your finger. Okay, so we're approaching the end stages and we're almost done unraveling our twists. Here you can see I'm splitting my halves and coiling them on my finger to keep that nice coil definition. Oh my goodness, guys. You cannot tell me that this is not cute. With the two little twists in the front while the back is in a twist out, that could be a style. Super cute, super cute. But here you see I'm starting to take it out. And we're going to see how well the twist out came. And there's always something we can learn from each twist out. And every time we do it, just going to get better and better. Even me, I'm not an expert on it, but I have been doing it for a while. And I can help you guys a bit as best as I can. And if it cannot help you with anything, I can always research and we can find out things together. But like you can see here, oil, it would not have happened. So I'm coiling my ends and yeah, nice. So this is the part that isn't necessary unless you have an event to go to and you really love volume. That's the difference. I'm not a fan of volume until my twist out has been used up like to capacity. I take out everything out of a hairstyle. But you can use this big tooth comb or a pick to give your hair volume and fluff and shape it. You want to shape your hair to fit your face. I did not shape all that much because I am planning on keeping it in for probably a few days. I'm so silly.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. But before you go, I want you to hard click this button right over here with my face on it so you can subscribe. And I want you to like, comment, and share this video. I want everyone to know beginners or not is good. So, and follow me on Instagram, don't forget.